Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Miraki. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you about this feature that I love the most, which is stickers. I'm using the pro version of this app, which I'll be sharing with all of you who are watching my videos by the end of this whole series. And for that, I want to see your presence in the comment section below. So let's jump into the tutorial now. So when you click on the stickers option, you have all of these stickers that I installed with the app. Some comes with the pro version that I'll be sharing, and some are downloadable for the basic ones. As you can see, I love this one. Like, these are the indicators that I really like to use, so I'm just going to tell you about it, but there are lots of other. So now you have this sticker over here. You can increase the size, decrease the size, you can change the angle by rotating it. You can do all of these things with the sticker. So I'm just going to show you how it works. So that's the sticker over here. Alright, now I'm going to just increase the size of my clip. Here we go. So now I have this sticker over here. So maybe I just want to add two stickers at the same time. So when I duplicate it, it's going to come after finishing the first sticker. So there is this gap and then the next one. But the best thing about this app is you can have as many layers as you want. So I'm just going to click, drag it on top of it. So I'm just going to, so right now you have two stickers. So that is how you can add as many stickers as you want at the same point. So it's indicating together. In my every video, I have the logo of my channel at the corner. That is done with the InShot and this feature of stickers. So how I do it, I'm going to show you how I done it. I have designed my own logo. The logo I'm using in my videos is designed in Photoshop. I'll be dropping a link into the description box so you can check that out. The logo I use in my all videos, that is in PNG form. So let me just show you how it is. So you have this option over here in which you can add the stickers from your gallery. So for example, I have this picture. So if I want to add this picture as a sticker, I can do it, but for logo I have designed this one. As you can see, it is in PNG form, you can see through it, so it looks nice in the videos when I just apply it somewhere and you can see the text moving or pictures moving at the back. So that is how it is. The next thing is these two indicators. So whenever you have to put a logo in the entire video, you're just going to click over here and there are two options. At the end of the video end means it will go into the entire length. If you have hundreds of clips, it's going to go at the end of the video. But if you want to add for just one clip, you're going to click on clip end. So it has just stopped over here. As you can see, this was the next clip. This is the logo I'm talking about, and that is for the clip beginning or video beginning. So that is how it's going to go. The next thing is when I apply this sticker for the logo, I just don't apply any effects, but you can do it. So I'm just going to show you how. So just let me go over here and I'm going to apply a sticker over here. Let me just Take one, for example, this one. Okay, so I have this sticker. As you can see here, it's not starting from the clip, it's not ending on the clip, so I'm just going to adjust it. Clip beginning and clip end, right? So you have this option over here, edit. Here you have lots of option to select from. So you have like how your clip is going to come, the zoom in, zoom out. See? And here you have two options, in and out. I want my flower to come from the right side and go to the left one. So in should be this one, and I'll click on out, and out also will go on the forward. So it's coming from right and going forward. If I wanted to go back to the right side, so I'm going to click this one to out. So it's coming, it's going back. From here you can adjust the speed of this effect. It's getting fast, now it's getting slow. That was all about the basic ones. In the basics you have the options for the effects to come in and out. Now these one are the loop, it will go on. So for example, I have this one. So it again has two options over here. This is the speed, so it's like this, and then you have this option, it is for the loop cycle, that how much time it will take from one cycle to another one. Right now it's 0, that is why it's going in continuity. If I'll increase, it's taking a break again, and that is how you're going to go. I'm going to show you two ways how I use the stickers on this app. First one is the end screen of almost all of my tutorial has it. So that is how it is. See, now if you look closely, you can see there are two stickers who are coming from the top and from the bottom. And the next one is this one. See, now I have taken this blank clip from here. As you can see, I'm just going to give it a background of white, and I'm going to add my stickers. So this is the logo and this is the name. So I have clicked both together, that's why they both are at the same point. So I'm just going to decrease it, move it over here. I'm going to decrease it, move it over here. And now I'm going to give the effects. This I want to come from the bottom, so in should be like this, and this I want to come from the top, so in should be like this, and I do not want their outs, so it's going to be none. So that is how it's going to look like now. See, that was easy. Now let's make the next one. Again, blank screen. This time I want its background to be black, and I'm going to add my sticker, this one. All right, so it's clip beginning, clip end. Now it's the tricky part, so let me just delete these ones. So it's all right, I'm just going to delete this clip. Now here I have the picture. I want it in the center, and I want the effect of, I think this one looks nice. All right, the out is none, and that is the picture. Now I'm going to duplicate, because now the picture is complete, the effect is complete over here. I want to add another picture, so I'm going to duplicate, click, drag here, clip end. Now I have the next one. I'm going to increase the size of it like this. Now I want another. So after the effect of this one is ending, here another duplicate like this, and clip end. I'm just going to like this. So let's see how it looks like. First, second, third. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you all like it and you have learned something new. Please leave a comment down below and wait for my next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching.